announcement by the chair to inform members that the Business Advisory Committee in its meeting held on the 3rd of August 2021 has allotted time for government, legislative and other business as follows. Statute resolution seeking disapproval of tribunal reforms, rationalization and condition of service ordinance 2021 promulgated by the President, and also the statute resolution, 3 hours to be discussed together. Consideration and passing of the bill as well as statute resolution. Then consideration and passing of the following bills as passed by Lok Sabha. The Airports Economic Regulatory Authority of India Bill 2021, 2 hours. General Insurance Business Nationalization Amendment, 4 hours. And then consideration and passing of the following bills when it comes. The Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation, 2 hours. Constitution Scheduled Tribe Order Amendment Bill 2021, 1 hour. The Limited Liability Partnership Amendment Bill, 2 hours. Consideration and passing of the Central Universities Amendment Bill after its introduction, 2 hours. The motion for annulment of notification number, please, GSR dated 25th of February 2021, published in Information Technology International Intermediary Guidelines, Digital Media Ethics, etc., 1 hour. Then we members have to inform yesterday during the Business Advisory Committee meeting, leaders of parties, after allocating time for this, I have given certain suggestions. And I would like to inform you that I also received notices under 267. One about farmers' agitation by Rangopalji, Vishwambar Prasadji and Dr. V. Sivadasan. Today, just coming to that, no? Today, you have given it yesterday. And then I have gone through it. It's an ongoing issue, but important. So that is being admitted for discussion under the other provision. Farmers' agitation. You cannot ask like this. Then I am trying to dispose of one after another. If you want all this to be disposed of, all these notices, Sivadasan, Suken Sekhar Rai, Mallikarjun Kharge, K.C. Venugopal, Yelamaram Karim, Binay Viswam, they are not admitted. Now there is an agreement about farmers' agitation and also about price rise, economic situation. The government also has expressed willingness to discuss. Let us discuss farmers' issue. Let us discuss economic situation, price rise and other issues. This is not the way. This is not the way. Please go back to your seats. Please go back to your seats. Please go back to the seats. All these members who are in the well of the house with the play cards, all of them are named under Rule 255. I direct these members who are in the well of the house to go back to their seats. Otherwise, you are named and you are suspended for the day. This is the decision of the chair. Please obey the chair and go back. And the names here. This is not going on record. Whoever is in the well, disobeying the chair and then raising these placards, they are all asked to leave the house under Rule 255. You know, if you disobey this, what will happen, you know, I need not tell. And the Secretariat will give the list. The House is adjourned to meet at 2 p.m. 2 p.m.